Imagine shedding pounds without chewing. Sounds strange, right? Liquid diets promise rapid weight loss, but are they safe? Can they really transform your body? Or is it just another weight loss gimmick? In this video, we're diving into the truth about liquid diets for weight loss. Let's separate fact from fiction, step by step, so you can decide if this is the weight loss plan you need. Let's get started. What is a liquid diet? What exactly is a liquid diet and how does it work? Liquid diets are weight loss plans where you consume most, if not all, of your calories through liquids, like juices, shakes, broths, or meal replacement drinks. There are different types. Full liquid diets, where all meals are liquid. Partial liquid diets, where liquids replace some meals. Medically supervised diets, prescribed for extreme weight loss or surgery prep. Now that you know what a liquid diet is, here's the big question. Why do so many people swear by liquid diets for weight loss? How does a liquid diet cause weight loss? How does drinking your meals actually help you drop weight fast? Here's the science. Caloric deficit. Liquid diets often mean consuming fewer calories, which forces your body to burn stored fat for energy. Digestive rest. With fewer solid foods, your digestive system works less, helping you feel lighter. High water content. Most liquid meals are water-based, keeping you hydrated and full. But wait, while this sounds great, does it mean you'll burn fat or just lose water weight? Let's explore the pros and cons. Benefits of a liquid diet. What are the real benefits of going on a liquid diet? Some of the top benefits include rapid weight loss. Liquid diets show quick results, especially in the short term. Detox effect. Juices and shakes flush out toxins and improve hydration. Convenience. No cooking, no planning. Just blend and drink. Reset your eating habits. A liquid diet can help you break bad habits and adopt portion control. For every pro, there's a con. Are liquid diets sustainable, or are the results just temporary? Risks and side effects of liquid diets. Can liquid diets be dangerous? And what risks should you watch for? Liquid diets can come with some serious drawbacks. Nutrient deficiencies. You might miss essential vitamins and minerals. Loss of muscle mass. Too few calories can break down muscle instead of fat. Energy crash. Low calories equals low energy, leaving you fatigued. Yo-yo weight loss. When you stop the diet, weight gain often comes roaring back. So, how can you make a liquid diet safer and sustainable for real results? Let's talk about practical tips. How to do a liquid diet safely. If you're set on trying a liquid diet, how can you do it the right way? Follow these steps to make your liquid diet effective and safe. Consult a professional. Talk to a dietitian or doctor before starting. Balance your nutrition. Include protein shakes, healthy fats, and fiber-rich smoothies. Stay hydrated. Don't confuse hunger with thirst. Drink plenty of water. Keep it short-term. Use a liquid diet as a jumpstart, not a long-term solution. Exercise lightly. Focus on walking or yoga instead of intense workouts. But here's where things get exciting. Can a liquid diet actually transform your weight loss journey long-term? Transitioning back to solid foods. What happens when you stop the liquid diet and go back to solid foods? To maintain your weight loss, you need to transition carefully. Start slowly. Reintroduce solids with light meals like soups, salads, and cooked veggies. Focus on whole foods. Lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs will stabilize your metabolism. Monitor portions. Don't overeat. Stick to healthy portion sizes. Stay active. Combine a balanced diet with regular exercise to keep the weight off. So, is a liquid diet worth trying, or are there better options for lasting weight loss? Here's the deal. A liquid diet can help you lose weight quickly, but it's not magic. It works best as a short-term tool, not a permanent solution. Combine it with healthy habits, solid nutrition, and regular exercise for long-lasting results. Now I want to hear from you. Would you ever try a liquid diet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more science-backed weight loss tips. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.